The crowds kept fleeing on Sunday as thousands of migrant workers tried to escape from India's capital, New Delhi, to their native villages after Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced a 21-day nationwide lockdown to stem the spread of the deadly coronavirus. Desperate workers clambered on top of buses, while others, resigned to the heaving mobs, turned to leave on foot. The overwhelming numbers of people migrating threatens to spread the disease further into the hinterland, the exact opposite of the government's aim for social distancing. And Modi's decision to lock down the country has especially stung the 120 million migrant labourers, leaving them without a way to earn wages, afford rent or even food, like worker Lali Devi.
It's been 3 days and we have been walking with children. We are 7 in total. We are in a lot of trouble. Why is the government stopping us? We just want to go to our village.
The chaos prompted Modi to ask the nation's poor for forgiveness in a nationwide radio address. But criticism has erupted, with the hashtag #ModiMadeDisaster trending on Twitter, questioning Modi's lack of a contingency plan. The government has announced a nearly $23 billion stimulus plan to provide direct cash transfers and food handouts. But international and local economists say this isn't enough. People have gathered in public squares demanding transport to their hometowns. But when they arrive to their village, they face another challenge: overcrowded family homes, pushing some to climb trees and create a makeshift bed so they can isolate for 14 days.
Doctors directed us to stay at home and practice social distancing, but we don't have personal rooms in our houses. It was decided in the village that we should be isolated, so now we're living in a tree.
Meanwhile, back in the city, some railway coaches are being turned into isolation wards for patients with the virus.